what up, guys? This is DJ. Welcome to my Jumeta DJ channel. What we have planned for today's videos, we will be unboxing some Nike Dunk Low Seattle Supersonic custom shoes that I got for my birthday from my dad. So this is what the box looks like. And let's open it up and see what these shoes look like. So here we go. And then that's what they look like. And let's show you what they look like now, guys. So alright, so this is what the box looks like. Yeah. So this is what my shoes look like right here, guys. So these are my shoes that I got for my birthday. These custom made Nike Dunk Low Seattle Supersonic shoes. Look at the back, guys. It's got cool 25 BD, which is my birthday. So this will be the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace, guys. Bye. Have a great day. Love you guys. I'm out.